Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today this tutorial is going to be about a Wix based website. So this is going to be a Wix tutorial, and in this particular tutorial I am going to show you how you can add a Wix based pricing plan to your site. So let's say if you have a business which you want people to go to through your pricing plans on monthly, yearly, quarterly basis, whatever options you have, then you will always need a pricing plan. So all you need to do is just click on, even if you are an editor of Wix, just click whatever page you want to add it to. But the first step is click on search, click on or search for Wix pricing plan. Here it comes. Then click on add to site. The new page will be created by default. In that page there will be Wix pricing plans widget. So here it comes. Looks nice, isn't it? Looks awesome. So here are the pre-added or default pricing plans. Okay, these are three, and what I will show you is how you can add it to different pages. So if you click on right click, and you can see there is no option to copy. So there is a advanced option because which you can see is you need to go to settings and then add-ons. Then here is the option. If you want one of these single plan to show in some of the page, you can click on add to page, and if you want to show it on the info, you can click on info. As you can see here, it has been added, and you can click on settings and display whichever plan you want to show. And here it is showing no plans yet because these are the default plans. But once you have the plans, you can display whichever plan you want to display, particularly a single plan on the page. So if you again go to that page, if you want to display the whole pricing plan like a three plans, as you can see the default one which it came with the widget, the beginner pro which says best value and VIP. So if you want to display this one to some of the page, then click on add to page. Then let's add it to FAQs for now. It is getting added. So here it comes. Then you can adjust it according to your need, according to your taste. So this is how you can do it. So if you check it on mobile, so it doesn't need any much more customization according to mobile. It is already mobile optimized. So I hope you get it. I hope you understood this tutorial. So thanks for watching. In the coming tutorials, I will show you how you can customize this and also add a plan. Thanks for watching this video.